Ropeway projects are being announced across India, from Kedarnath to Manali, from Varanasi to Shimla. But here's the truth. Almost no one really knows how to execute or operate them. It's a completely new segment, and the rules of the game are still being written. If you are a contractor or a consultant or part of the government department, chances are you worked on roads, you worked on bridges or tunnel projects, even metros. But ropeways, that's different. Suddenly, you're dealing with cable technology, foreign suppliers, safety codes, and mountain logistics. It's exciting but confusing. So in this video, let's simplify it all from tender to operations. India is finally catching up with the world when it comes to ropeways. Countries like Switzerland, Austria, and even Vietnam have been using ropeways for decades. Not just for tourism, but also for urban transport. Ropeways offer lower land use compared to roads, eco-friendly mobility in hilly areas, faster travel and minimal disruption to nature. And that's why the Government of India launched the Parvatmala Yojana to connect remote and tourist regions through ropeways. The vision is big, but the real challenge starts after the announcement. Here's where most confusion starts: the tender. Ropeway tenders are not like road or bridge tenders. They include new technical components, cabins, haul ropes, towers, drive stations, rescue systems, and foreign OEM tie-ups. The eligibility criteria often ask for experience in ropeways, but very few Indian firms actually have that. So most companies either form joint ventures with international players or work as a local EPC partner to foreign technology providers. Understanding this structure early is the key if you want to even qualify. Once the tender is won, the next challenge begins: design and engineering. Ropeways are high precision systems. Every tower height, rope tension, and cable alignment has to be engineered perfectly. This requires coordination between civil engineers for foundations, towers, and stations, mechanical experts for ropes, drives, cabins, electrical teams for control panels and sensors, OEM specialists for the imported system. Most designs are reviewed by international consultants because safety standards like OITAF or EN are mandatory. That's why project management and design review are critical. One small deviation can cause huge delays and penalties. Now comes the most complex part: installation. Imagine constructing towers on steep mountain slopes with limited access roads, transporting heavy equipment, maintaining cable tension, ensuring alignment. This is where experience really matters. The site teams need close coordination with the OEM for installation and commissioning. Every rope, pulley, and grip must pass international safety checks before trial runs. Delays usually happen here due to logistics, permissions, and weather. So proper planning and local execution strength make a big difference. Once the ropeway is ready, a new phase starts: operation and maintenance. Many contractors finish construction but don't know what happens after that. In ropeways, daily maintenance is non-negotiable. Every cabin, rope, and grip is inspected daily. Towers and drive systems are checked weekly. Rescue drills are mandatory every month. Operators and safety staff have to be trained by certified experts. Some government projects adopt a hybrid annuity or a PPP model, while the developer maintains and operates the system for 15 to 20 years. That means Ropeway isn't just a project, it's a long-term operation. Now let's talk about where most ropeway projects go wrong. First, underestimating design complexity. That means treating it like a cable bridge project. Second, poor OEM coordination. Unclear roles between local contractor and foreign tech partner creates chaos. Third, weak project management, especially in approvals and site logistics. Fourth, no local skill training. After construction, no trained team for operations. These mistakes can delay projects by years, but with the right structure and understanding, they can be avoided. Ropeways are not just about connecting temples or tourist spots anymore. In the future, we'll see them as urban transport in cities like Mumbai, Guwahati, and Shimla. The world is moving from roads to air mobility, and India is catching up fast. The only question is, will we build ropeways as a one-time experiment or as a national skill and industry?